Short guide to registering with the InitiativeQ. It is a bit tricky and many persons remain uncertain what to do exactly, as it is not clearly explained. You need a working invitation link which will lead you to the unique web page where you will register. Then on your email you will receive a link to confirm your registration. You also need to wait for the owner of this link you used to be accepted. You'll be informed by mail about it. Then you should download the application as it doubles your reward, and you can start inviting others with your invitation link. First, you can register and log in using your account in Google, Facebook or Twitter, or with any email address which I choose and which is rather more safe. On the InitiativeQ webpage, at the top there is a menu bar with all choices interesting to any user. It will remain there also when you enter your account. In the right corner you can choose your preferred language. To log in or register you choose Login, also just next to it. And for the registration, click this link below. The pop-up window will appear. As you see, there is the name of the one whose invitation you use. There are also information that they want only email and password, no other personal data, as many other projects do. And that they will use your email only to inform you on matters regarding your account. When registered, you will receive the email. Check your spam folder, as I had to retrieve the first mail from there. As you see, you have to confirm the registration. In case you forgot your password, on the login page there is a link to retrieve it. The next mail you will receive will inform you that the person whose invitation you used accepted you. It is necessary, as without it you won't be able to use your account. In case of problems, try invitation from another person, let's say the active user. That problem could arise as anyone has limited time to use the invitation link. If all went right, your account page after login looks like this. There are a few important parts. First, information regarding your current tasks or your status, what you should do to obtain units. That may change. This is important as they will vary depending what task you could do and in what period of time, but about it in another occasion. Current task defines how much more you can gain during this particular task period. Here you will see all your invited. And in this part you will be able to check your balance. And in this balance part at the bottom, if you are interested, you will be able to read why they aim to maintain 1Q around $1. The current balance states how much you do have. It is called reserved, but also how much you can obtain during this time task period, called current tasks, and prospective amount of future tasks. In activity history, you will see how much you've got and for what. First is sign up bonus, and another one if you downloaded the application. Do it, as you will double your entrance reward to 2,664 Qs as of today. The application you download from the official Google for Android or Apple stores. Use this link in case you have not yet done it or signed up before release of the application. It is active. And now you can, and you should, use your own invitation link to promote InitiativeQ. Send to your friends and start accumulating Qs from the referrals. Each time someone will use it, you will receive an email informing you that you need to accept this person. In the list of persons who used your invitation, you will see their status. In case of not yet active, there will be a button which will turn to this sign when you accept him or her. You can also navigate the top menu to learn more about the InitiativeQ. Check what is the timeline, how do they want to run the business and on what basis. Also, who stands behind the project. Remember that not doing much, you can gain around $13,000. In case you need an invitation, use this one. Watch also other short tutorials from the playlist you see now on YouTube, or go to the link below and search for them. There are also information regarding the Pi network.